That a girl now. Now sit down. Good job. All right. Now Miss Sarah's gonna video for us so we can do your first ride on Allie, and I'm gonna walk next to her, okay? All right, kiss to her. And don't hold too tight on the reins. Okay? Come on, baby. How's that feel up there, huh?
Right in front of her.
Bianca's first ride out of Big Horse by herself.
No, 2 times.
Well, this is your first time single. Sit up straight, baby. All right, come on out. Kiss to her.
I'm shaking. Try not to shake. Now you have me recorded on this video.
Good girl. Good girl. Look at Flip jealous over there. How do you feel, Bee?
Is it scary being up that high?
No.
No?
All right, tell her whoa. Pull back a little bit on the rein. That's it, and that's just a little itty bit. All right, and then